welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a slime unboxing. So today I have a Slimeygloop Mixems, and it is the ready-made Llama Party Slimeygloop. So we're going to be mixing some stuff, I think. And so yeah, I'm very excited, and I got this from the dollar store, so that was a plus too. Let's open it. So let's get the slime out. This is a clear-based slime. Let's open it real quick. Ooh, this looks good. Ooh, this is nice. Nice. Put it on a table. It's a bit sticky, but that's okay. Probably the glitter will help, because glitter always helps. So let's get out the stuff. Oh, let's get the llama charm out. So there is the llama charms. So cute. And then there's some glitter and gem packs. So that looks really cool. So let's open the glitter. So whenever you're opening glitter packets, remember to always move down the glitter because they are prone to exploding. And remember to very slowly because yet again it's prone to exploding. Okay, so let's put the glitter in. We'll add that for now, and then we'll add more.
Hello, Crinkle. Go in the window, Crinkle. You're interrupting the video.
So...
how does it feel?
it feels sticky.
Good sticky or bad sticky?
Bad sticky.
Oh, bad sticky. It's got good snap.
It does, though. That's probably the glitter. So the only problem I have with this slime is I've never had this problem with, well, I have had a bit of problem with Slimeygloop before because it is quite a sticky slime. Sometimes they aren't, sometimes they are. So in my opinion, you just need to keep adding glitter or whatever ingredients they come with. If it's instant snow, I don't know about that because instant snow isn't good when you add more and more because it sometimes makes the slime more harder and stiffer. So it is starting to come together. I'm just going to add the rest of the glitter in. And it is called Llama Party because I think it is quite the party. So, yeah. I don't really want to add the gems because I think the glitter just looks better with just that. Because I think the gems totally don't match the actual glitter, which is super beautiful, by the way. The last Slimeygloop one I had was a cloud slime, actually. I think it was a cloud. It was basically a milky base, and then I added instant snow and these hexagon glitters, and hexagon glitters are bad news. They get everywhere, and trust me, they stick all over you. And they were sticking all over me, and the instant snow, all it did was fall out, and it was super sticky. So we just ended up throwing it away. But I think this is a good slime. And usually if you get a big pack of Slimeygloop, which I've only had one big pack, you get smaller containers and smaller slimes, but you get way more slimes than just one. And the slimes already come pre-made, but you can add stuff. So in that Slimeygloop big set, I got this charm too, but it's always good to have two of the same charms. And I think with this slime, you just have to keep kind of playing with it, and I wouldn't like let it rest on your hand because I think it might stick. But I really am enjoying the glitter because it's very bright, and even though I'm not a fan of glitter because it always gets all over you, this glitter isn't getting everywhere. And I think that's very good because glitter's kind of hard to clean up. So, yeah. So this is a great slime. I definitely recommend this one. And there's still some clear at the top, so let's mix that in before we end the video. So this is just the clear before you add the glitter. As you can see, it's already getting foggy because, well, I'm playing with it. So let's add it in. And it looks super weird because it has no glitter in it yet, but soon the glitter will reach that clear slime, and it looks like it just did. And when you open it, it's still clear. So, yeah. So, thank you guys for watching. Bye!